Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2019 Volvo XC90? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2019 Volvo XC90 protects critical systems like the engine control module, ABS, cooling fans, and ignition. It distributes and safeguards high-current electrical circuits in the engine bay. Fuse box under the glove compartment. The fuse box under the glove compartment in the 2019 Volvo XC90 controls interior functions such as the infotainment system, climate control, and power sockets. It protects low-voltage circuits within the cabin. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box in the 2019 Volvo V90 powers and safeguards components such as the power tailgate, rear seat heaters, trailer hitch module, and rear window defroster. It ensures reliable operation and overload protection for all rear-end electrical systems. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.